What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to a brand new video, Stock Talk, where we talk stocks and crypto. In today's video, we're going to be talking about XRP, the current market conditions, and we're also going to not deep dive, but we're also going to take a look at the Bitcoin price chart as well. Maybe some other cryptos out there, but definitely we're going to be taking a look at the XRP price chart, as the RSI is sitting very, very low right now and it's showing potential moves for the upside, maybe. But one thing that I just noticed based off the past is that if we take a look at the 50 EMA and then the 200 EMA, I'm going to zoom in right here. Alright, pay close attention right now. You guys see that the 50, which is this red squiggly line, and the 200 EMA, which is this blue squiggly line, they look like they're getting wider, wider, and then they start getting pretty close again, and then what's it call it? XRP just falls back under the 50 EMA, and then it just dumps. As soon as the 200 and the 50 EMA are getting pretty close, so once again we get wider, and then we're getting tight one again, and then boom, it just dumps. And another thing that I noticed was that when we broke above the 200 EMA, which what we just did recently, we broke up, we did a wick, and then we broke back under the 200 EMA line, and as these things were getting close, then we plummeted. So once again, I'm going to point that out right here. Pay close attention to the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. So it's getting wider, and right here, if I zoom in a little bit more, you can see that the 200 EMA and the 200 and the 50 EMA are starting to get pretty close. And what happened right here? We wicked above the 200 EMA, and now we fell back under. So is this an indication that we may actually fall back below the 50 EMA line and continue to plummet all the way down to these targets that we've had from in the past, which was the first target of 23 and the next target of 17? Is that something that we actually may be seeing? Put that in the comments down below if you believe that this is something that's potential and could possibly be happening. This is just a warning. I'm not saying it is going to happen. I'm not a financial advisor, so do everything based off the data, so invest what you really lose. So I'm just pointing out things that I'm barely noticing myself. I don't script these videos. I'm doing it based off like what I see right then and there. I just press record and then I just go. I go with the flow. You know what I'm saying? So that's something that I've been noticing with this. And you guys remember me saying that when XRP is starting to go down, what goes up? Bitcoin. We've seen that Bitcoin is actually starting to go up a little bit, not too much, but we actually did see a quick little rally up to 20,500 not too long ago, which was actually something good to see, because I don't invest in Bitcoin, but I'm definitely a fan of Bitcoin. It's revolutionary and it's doing a lot of good things, getting a lot of people into the market. But we're still in congruence with this W pattern and this bear flag that we see right here. So we have a pull, then we have a flag. We actually broke out and under of it. We came back up to confirm this as a rejection, and then we're starting to plummet. But as all this is going down, if I didn't have this W, this is a perfect indication that literally that this bear flag is going to happen, and we have a measured target of that at 8,700. But first, we still have this super long-term one that we did back in, I believe in December, where we had a measured target of 14.5K. So maybe that's the goal we're going to hit right now, 14.5K. And if that one breaks, we already know we're going to hit the 8.5K. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are bearish or bullish. Let me know. I'm actually very interested to find out what you guys think is going on with the market. Do you guys think this is just a little temporary downwardness, or do you guys think we're ready to go all the way down and see the lows, officially wipe out the paper hands, officially wash out the retail investors, make everybody hate cryptos? Everyone's going to be like, man, I knew I should have sold my bag, when, and then they all sell at a negative, at a loss, and then out of nowhere, everything just blows up. The RSI on Bitcoin is semi-high. We are on the day chart, so there is a little bit room for more growth. We could definitely go easily right back to 20.5K, which is just $1,000. Not too crazy, but we are up 2.5% basically, more or less. And we're still battling that 50 EMA. If you guys can see, take a quick look right here. We can see the 50 EMA right here. We wicked straight to it, and then we came back down. But once again, you guys, we're still in this W pattern formation. So let me know what you guys think is going to happen with Bitcoin in the comments down below. Do you think that this bear flag is going to actually play out, or do you think that the W pattern is actually what's playing out? We have measure targets for both. The measure target for the W formation would be 32,000, but we have the major goal would be 30K. That's our goal right there, 30K. We know that we may wick above the 200 EMA line, but there's going to be a lot of resistance right here. All this stuff is resistance, so let me make this red real quick. Resistance, rejection, same shit. All right, that's our targets for that. So let's go back to XRP. That's the reason why we were making this video. RSI is very low on the XRP price chart, man. It's showing that we're actually gonna, start to go up. But let's take a look at the weekly RSI, and that one's not looking too good. That one's showing there's a lot of room for downwardness pretty soon. So that's what's leading me to think that, man, are we gonna dump like I'm saying? We've seen those EMA lines right there. Once they get a little bit tight, there comes a plummet. Hopefully not, but based off this weekly RSI, there's a lot of room that we're gonna go down. And every time we get this high, it shoots down pretty hard, and then we do see a little bit of a recovery, but then we shoot back down. So once again, right about here, we go down a little bit, shoot up, a little bit of recovery, little relief rally, and then right back down. So that's not something good to see. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen. I don't want to make this video too long. I just got out of the gym. I got to get ready to go back to the gym. And, right now I'm about to eat some lunch. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys are doing today. Is your day going good? Is your day going bad? Let me know. I'm trying to communicate with y'all in the comments down below. Let's take a quick look at the monthly RSI. The monthly RSI, man, that one's looking terrible, but it's looking hella bullish. So it looks like we're kind of printing a head and shoulders in the RSI. So it looks like we're going to come back to right here, but then plummet a little bit, and then shoot crazy up. Yeah, I'm liking how that monthly one's looking. So that's pretty much going to wrap up the video for the second time. We did Bitcoin, we did XRP. I would like to get into quant, but I'm probably going to do that in a separate video just because of my time. I need to go get ready for the gym. I know I want to make a video about Songbird. We got to do a video about RSR, and then maybe we'll do one about Jasmine. I'm not too sure, but there's definitely some videos I do want to make. We're going to do one for Crow for sure. Crow. Alright, man. I'm going to wrap the video for sure now. Hope you guys have a good day. It's your boy Leo. Peace.